how to add highlights on Instagram. Adding highlights on Instagram is something that you can do nowadays in order to keep your stories in your Instagram feed for as long as you want. Here's how to do it. First, let's open our Instagram account. If you can see here, I already have stories here earlier, so I've posted some story earlier for us to do for today. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to click our profile icon. And then when you are going to scroll down here, you should be able to see story highlights. So this is where you're going to keep your favorite stories in your profile. So what we're going to do is we're going to click that new button. Alright, and all the stories from different dates should appear in here. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to choose the stories that we want to put on our highlights. So say for example this one, I'm going to choose this one, and this one. Okay, say for example those three. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to edit the cover. So you can basically do this or not, it's up to you. Alright, I'm gonna put my face. There we go. And I'm going to click done. Now you're going to put title in your highlight. So in my case, I'm just going to put Camotes. So that's the place that I visited. And then I'm going to click add. Alright, so you can also turn it into a reel, but I'm not going to do that one. So I'm going to click not now. And then from here, you should be able to see your highlight. So now you have a highlight called Camotes. So if I'm going to click that one, there you go. And then next. Okay, congratulations. So that's how you're going to add highlights on Instagram in 2023. Congratulations guys. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.